Welcome to our Purchases Dashboard, your comprehensive tool for streamlined procurement operations. On the front page, you have navigation buttons to effortlessly navigate between purchase invoices and purchase orders transactions. In the purchase invoices, the KPIs are neatly arranged at the top to provide a quick snapshot of your invoicing activities, including vendors, documents, quantity, amount, discount, and post-discount figures. Unlock valuable procurement analytics, comparing purchases over time with detailed breakdown in advanced tooltip, and purchases by product and vendor posting groups. Explore top purchases by vendor or switch to discover top purchases by item, gaining detailed insights into your supply chain operations tracking. Interested in detailed view of your purchase invoices? Click on the See Details button to navigate and explore the comprehensive table for extensive breakdown of your purchase invoice transactions, allowing deeper analysis and informed decision-making. You can also navigate to other pages of the dashboard using the navigation buttons at the top. In Purchase Orders page, you'll find amount and quantity KPIs, which are distributed over various stages including total, received, invoiced, remaining, and invoiced percent to track the status and progress of your purchase orders in real time. Track your monthly purchase order amount and their variances, amount by currency code and amount by purchaser name to analyze expenditure distribution. Examine top order amounts by vendor and item, gaining insights into key suppliers and items driving procurement for cost optimization. With intuitive filters, you can effortlessly monitor your business purchases, gaining insights from various perspectives, ensuring smooth procurement operations. Similarly, click on the See Details button to delve into the comprehensive table of purchase orders for an in-depth breakdown of your purchase order transactions, enabling focused and strategic procurement decisions. You can transition to dark mode for enhanced visibility and reduced eye strain. Experience a sleek interface designed to illuminate your procurement journey with precision, providing detailed metrics and insightful analyses tailored to your needs. It's not just a dashboard, it's your gateway to procurement excellence. Dive into our Purchases Dashboard today and power up your purchasing potential for optimal efficiency.